YouTube? Welcome to another action figure review. Today we have Marvel Legends Cable. Looks amazing. Super happy to add this guy to my collection. So this is the box. Side of the box. Back of the box. Real quick, it says Cable travels back through time from a dystopian future to help the X-Men as an enhanced telekinetic mutant. And then there's the Build-A-Figure wave. I got the Black Winter Thor. It's really cool looking. Other side of the box. So, gonna take him out of the box and show what he looks like in the plastic. So yeah, guys, this is him in the plastic. One closed hand, one open hand, two hands, two trigger figure hands, two guns, and a Zabu hind leg. So gonna take him out of the plastic and test the articulation. Yeah, guys, going over articulation here. Head goes 360. You can look about that high up. Just a little bit high. More really good down neck movement. He has an eyepiece, so be careful with that. Not sure how sensitive that is. 360 arm movement. No butterfly joints. No butterfly. 360 bicep swivel. Double jointed. Pin elbow. Rotating wrist. Can do a little bit of it's pretty. Can't really do that much wrist action on that side. Metal arm, 360 rotation, rotating bicep, pinless double jointed elbow, rotating wrist. Not much wrist action. Good ab crunch. They made it so the straps don't hinder movement. Ab crunch going back, ab crunch going forward, so that's really good, really amazing. Rotating torso. Can do the split about that far. This is as far as he gets. And then good split going in this direction. Thigh swivel, double jointed knee. Thigh swivel, double jointed knee. He does have a boot cut. Puts on a rocker. Goes about that far. Yeah, oddly enough, he doesn't have butterfly shoulder joints. It's probably because it's a new sculpt and probably expensive for them to crank this guy out. Real quick, looking at some detail here. He has the straps with the X's on them. He has eye telekinesis beam going on. Here's an eye, boy. Little shadow, 5 o'clock shadow going on there. Yeah, really nice, evenly painted. Nice metal arm, really cool. So, really, the only thing missing, really, I would say, is the butterfly joints. But other than that, articulation is pretty. It's good. It's good enough. I mean, no split, but you know, not terrible. It's good enough to get them to do cable things. So I am going to put them in some poses. This is another godlike figure. It's definitely gonna be on top 5 list. One of the best cables to date. Could it be better? I really don't. The only thing that could be better is the articulation. Like, as you can see, a toe articulation would help here a little bit, and the butterfly joints, because as you all know, in order to get him into that hyper beam pose, he needs to really bring in his arms, and it kind of killed the ability to do that, but nonetheless, amazing figure, fantastic. The sculpt is just crazy good. Yeah, godlike, guaranteed gonna be on top 5 list. You know, again, Marvel Legends being Hasbro's strength right now. They're just going insane. Now's the time to collect Marvel Legends. You know, who knows? I mean, don't hold me by my tongue here, but if they stop producing this figure may go up in value in the future. It's that good, you know. I would totally get it while I still can, if you know, holding out on this figure. Fantastic figure. Now, that's talking about the figure. The guns make me nauseous. They are trash. I mean, Cable wouldn't be walking around dead with whatever the hell this is. I mean, it's just bad. It's really bad. I've seen G.I. Joes with better guns. Way better guns than this. You know, and I get it. Where did all the money go? On him. You know, and they had to, you know, do what they could with whatever they had left. But man, they should have just sold the guns separately, or just made a weapons pack dedicated for this figure. I mean, this Cable is a big deal. This is just a major addition to anybody's Marvel collection. These guns are just trash. I don't even know. I've seen G.I. Joes with better guns. I mean, and that's saying a lot. Yeah, the guns are just a disappointment. They're just annoying. I really, even before I got them, when I saw these in the box, even before I ordered Cable, I knew these guns were not gonna cut it. Cable is a run and gun type of dude, you know, high adrenaline. You know, he's not gonna be carrying around trash weapons. If you're curious to know where I got those guns from, there's actually another Marvel Legend. There's Deathlock. Super cool, incredible figure. I made a review on him if you're interested. He comes with these really good guns. You know, the shotgun is, I would say, is a Cable staple, and this handgun, super cool with the sight for any of the hardcore collectors. You know, that machine gun cannon too also comes with them. You know, they really, I don't understand why they gave Deathlock incredible weapons and then kind of just slacked on Cable, but nonetheless, you know, godlike figure, get it while you still can. Incredible, you know, part of the X-Men collection. Looks great. Even comes with a 5 o'clock shadow. Yeah, super happy. Again, the cons, the guns, missing toe articulation, but The toe articulation is not the killer for me. It's more the butterfly shoulder joint. The toe articulation may kind of interfere with the boot, like, you know, adding too much, you know, lines and cuts, and so I kind of like how the boot looks now. It's kind of just a smooth, the foot, it's just kind of a smooth boot. But the butterfly shoulder joints, you know, that with the articulation, that, you know, that's kind of the heartbreaker. But nonetheless, amazing figure, amazing sculpt. Still has good articulation. I mean, I could get him in a pretty good bending down pose. And he is kind of a little bit taller than other figures. But totally recommend. Let me know what you think. Take care and have a good one, guys.